This is Talagoya or land monitor. It is a reptile. This species is widely distributed in South Asia. This animal is named as least concern in the National Red List. This one can found throughout our country. In Polonnaruwa, this is the most commonly seen reptile, often along the roads or sunbathing in the open areas. They are very good climbers. This lizard every day comes to our garden to search for food. They are carnivorous, consuming prey as varied as insects, mollusks, amphibians, reptiles, birds. So, he is the friend of a farmer. So, this little guy is friend of my grandpa. Bye bye, little guy.